Welcome to all students. Today we are going to solve partnership fund account problem number 7. Archana and Prerna are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. From the trial balance and adjustment you are required to prepare trading profit and loss. Next slide about the trial balance. Here also I again provide you the postings of all trial balance. Stock on 1st April means it is opening stock, trading debit, patents, it is asset, sundry debtors, asset, stock stationery is also treated as a asset, trademarks, asset, bills receivable, asset, electricity charges, profit and loss, debit, wages, trading debit, heating and lighting, trading debit because these are the production expenses. So production all expenses are related to trading debit. Then trade expenses here profit and loss debit. Now one important note for the trade expenses that when in trial balance only trade expenses is given, then it will be shown or transferred to profit and loss debit. But sometime along with trade expenses there are some general expense, sundry expense, miscellaneous expense. These expenses are shown, then at that time trade expenses transfer to trading debit and other related expenses are shown to profit and loss debit. But in this problem only trade expenses are given, other expenses are not given, so trade expenses are transferred or shown to profit and loss debit. Sales return, less sales, land and building, asset, furniture, asset, cash at bank, asset, investment, asset, drawings, capital account, debit. Bad debts, P&L, old bad debts, it is old bad debts, profit and loss, debit, purchases, trading debit. Credit balances. In credit balances, capital. Here only capital account is given, current account is not provided. So capital account capital balances are shown to capital account credit side. Other loans, liability, reserve fund, liability, sundry creditors, liability, bills payable, liability, purchase return, less purchases, RDD, it is old RDD, less from bad debts, sales, TC, interest, the interest shown to credit balance means it is interest received, so it is profit and loss credit. Then next slide about the adjustment. Look at first here I also provide some important notes about the trade expenses. In again if the trial balance trade expenses are given, it's shown to profit and loss debit, and if along with trade expense other expenses given, then trade expenses transfer to trading account debit. This note here I provide you the note about the trade expense. Next slide about the effects of adjustments. First adjustments, closing stock or stock on 31st March is valued at cost price or market price. Now again inventory rule is that inventory is calculated at cost price or market price, whichever is lower. In this adjustment cost price is a lower, so we have to take on cost price as a closing stock. So to effect trading account credit, balance sheet, asset. Second adjustment, our customer Mr. Shekhar failed to pay his dues of rupees 800, that is bad debts. Two effects, profit and loss debit and less from debtors. Third adjustment, 1/8 patent are to be written off. Now it is the adjustment of revenue expenditure. The wrongly revenue expenditures are included in capital expenditure. Patent is an asset and it is a capital expenditure. So 1/8 patent are to be write off. Then simple less from patent. 1/8 part here I provide you. The 1/8 patent means patent amount rupees 2000. On that part if we calculate 1/8, then we can get the amount 250. So 250 less from patent, and second effect it is a profit and loss debit. ही ॲडजस्टमेंट जी आहे ही रेव्हेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर आहे, म्हणजे रेव्हेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर चुकून कॅपिटल एक्सपेंडिचरमध्ये ॲड झालेलं आहे. मग पेटंट हे आपले कॅपिटल आहे, असेटला असतात, सो त्यातून ते आपल्याला लेस केले पाहिजेत. आणि मग रेव्हेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर आपण कुठं दाखवतो, P&L डेबिटला. म्हणजे दोन इफेक्ट काय झाले, तर एक तर लेस फ्रॉम पेटंट्स आणि दुसरा इफेक्ट होणार प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस डेबिट. सो इट इज अ ॲडजस्टमेंट. देन नेक्स्ट adjustment, a part of furniture 500 is purchased on 1st October 2018 and next depreciate land and building and furniture. Now first of all see the furniture. The closing balance of furniture, they provide us the closing balance of furniture rupees 13,000. But in that 13,000, additional furniture purchased on 1st October 2018 means 5,000 furniture purchased on 1st October. So if we deduct 5,000 from 13,000, then we can get the amount 8,000, and the machinery of 8,000 used for here 12 months. I explain all the notes here on this slide. Furniture of rupees 8,000 we are used for 12 months. So we have to calculate 5% depreciation on rupees 8,000. Then again 5% depreciation on 8,000 is rupees 400. Then after that the furniture of rupees 500 we are purchases on 1st October, means October to March, there are 6 months, means now firm used furniture of rupees 5,000 furniture for 6 months. Then again we have to calculate 5% depreciation on rupees 5,000 for 6th month is rupees 125. So depreciation of furniture 400 plus 125 is equal to 525. It is a depreciation of the furniture. Here again in that box also calculated the 500 into 5th divided by 6 by 12, 125 amount we will get here. So depreciation of furniture is rupees 525. And building depreciation 10% depreciation on building amount rupees 22,000. So if we calculate 10% on 22,000, we can get 2,200. So the depreciation of building and furniture. Now the effects of that amount less from assets, and second effect P&L debit. बघा इथे मी काय सांगितलं परत की डेप्रिसिएशन आपल्याला फर्निचर 13,000चं आहे वर्षाच्या शेवटी दाखवलेलं, पण त्यातलं 5,000चं फर्निचर जे आहे ते ऑक्टोबरला परचेस केलेलं आहे. म्हणजे ऑक्टोबर ते मार्च 5,000चं फर्निचर आपण 6 महिने वापरलं, म्हणून 5,000वर 6 महिन्याचं डेप्रिसिएशन काढायचं, आपल्याला अमाऊंट मिळेल 125 रुपये. आणि त्यानंतर उरलेले जे 8,000चं फर्निचर आहे ते आपण 12 महिने वापरले, त्यामुळे त्याच्यावर आपण डेप्रिसिएशन काढलं तर आपल्याला 12 महिन्याची अमाऊंट मिळते आहे 400 रुपये. म्हणजे आपलं फर्निचर आहे 525 रुपयाचं डेप्रिसिएशन येणार. त्याचे दोन इफेक्ट लेस होणार आणि P&Lला डेबिटला जाणार. आणि बिल्डिंगचा सरळ आहे 22,000ची बिल्डिंग आहे, 10% डेप्रिसिएशन काढा, 2,200 अमाऊंट येईल. परत अगेन सेम इफेक्ट लेस असेल P&L डेबिट. So that after the next slide about the outstanding expenses. Outstanding expense rupees, outstanding wages rupees 300 and electricity charges rupees 200. Simple adjustment. Outstanding expenses, first effect add in wages and balance sheet liability. For electricity charges add in electricity and balance sheet liability. The next adjustment about allow interest on capital 3%. Allow 3% interest on capital. Now the two partners Archana and Prerna. The capital, Archana's capital here they are provide us rupees 40,000. So calculate 3% interest on rupees 40,000 amounted to rupees 1,200. Then Prerna's capital is rupees 20,000. So 3% interest on 20,000 we can get 600. Means these two interest on capital provided by firm to the partner. So first effect is the expense of the firm. So transfer to profit and loss debit side. And second effect, it increase the partner's capital. So partner's capital credit side. These are the two effects of interest on capital. Then next slide, on this slide I have solved the problem of the final account. First slide explain or shows trading account. In the books of Archana and Prerna, trading account for the year ended 31st March 2019, debit, credit, particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees. It is a pro forma or specimen. After that, the figures are shown as highlighted. These are the adjustments. So, and the other figures they are from the trial balance. So, we have write as it is. Opening stock, write down as it is. Then purchases, it is also provided in a trial balance less purchase return. After deducting the amount, we can get 22,700. Here, credit side, sales provided in the trial balance. Sales return is also provided. Deducting the amount, we can get 29,800. In debit side, wages. On the wages, there is an adjustment of outstanding. So, wages written in a inner column, add outstanding, then we can get amount 1,250. Heating and lighting, write as it is 1000. Closing stock is adjustment, outer side 12,000. After calculating the credit side or closing the trading account, credit side, total of the credit side is 41,800. It is transferred to or taken for the debit side 41,800. From that 41,800, if we deduct the debit balances, then we can get the amount 8,290. It is called as an to gross profit carried down, and it is transferred to P&L account. Transfer to P&L account. Next slide about the profit and loss account. Look here, profit and loss account for year ended. Now here we get the gross profit. We can find out the gross profit from trading account debit side. It transfer to profit and loss account credit side. After that again highlighted shows at the adjustment. हायलाईट जे केलेलं आहे ते ॲडजस्टमेंट्स आहेत आणि बाकीचे अमाऊंट्स जे आहेत ते आहेतच आहेत. ह्या स्लाईडवर सुद्धा प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस आपला पूर्ण बसवू शकत नाही, मोठा आहे, त्यामुळं काय केलेलं आहे, ह्या स्लाईडवर थोडा प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस दाखवला आहे आणि पुढच्या स्लाईडवर उरलेला प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट दाखवलेला आहे. सॅलरी नॉट प्रोव्हायडेड. ट्रेड एक्सपेन्सेस रेट ॲज इट इज. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जेस 1450. They are given us the adjustment outstanding 200. Write down the outer amount 1650. Write off patents. Here the patents are write off, so 250 amount less from patent, and second effect profit and loss debit. So profit and loss debit, write off patent 250. Depreciation we calculated, we are learn it in a adjustment. So depreciation, two effects, less from asset, second effect profit and loss debit, building and furniture. Outer balances are there. In that interest received, it is also provided in trial balance 310. After that the next slide, in the next slide again are old bad debts. They are also provide us in a problem. Old bad debts 200. Add new bad debts of rupees 800. It is adjustment. After that their new RDD is not provided, so dash. If we added the old and new bad debts, we can get 1000. From that 1000, old RDD is provided in the trial balance. If we deduct the old RDD, we can get the amount of the 500. Then interest on capital, we calculated it. Take outer side, taken outer side, and from that after that when we see that the total of the credit side, profit and loss account, total of credit side, here we are shown that 8,600. If we taken it to debit side, and after that from that total, if we deduct all debit balances or all debit accounts, then we can get the amount 825. It is called the net profit. P&Lची क्रेडिटची टोटल करायची, डेबिटला घ्यायची, डेबिटचे सगळे अकाउंट्स, बाकीचे जे अमाऊंट्स आहेत त्या लेस करायच्या, लेस करून आपल्याला जी अमाऊंट मिळेल त्याला आपण म्हणणार आहे नेट प्रॉफिट. इथं आपला 825 रुपये नेट प्रॉफिट आला आहे. तो अर्चना आणि प्रेरणा या दोघांना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचा आहे. त्यांचा प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो आहे 2:1. सो नेट प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड बिटवीन द पार्टनर्स इन their प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो 2:1 and transfer to partners capital account. It is transferred to partners capital account. After that, next slide about the partners capital account. Partners capital account, again debit credit. Here first they shows the opening balances of capital. Opening balances are from the trial balance 40,000, 20,000. After that interest on capital adjustment taken to partners account credit side. Again here debit side, they also given us a drawings from the trial balance. So partners capital account debit side drawings is there. Now close down the partners capital account credit side, the total of the credit side taken to debit side, and again less the debit balances, they can be, then we can get the balancing amount, means it is a closing capital of the partners. क्रेडिट साईड क्लोज करा, क्रेडिटची अमाऊंट डेबिटला घ्या, डेबिटचे अकाउंट सगळे लेस करा, जी काही बॅलन्सिंग फिगर मिळेल त्याला आपण म्हणणार आहे टू बॅलन्स कॅरी डाऊन. टू बॅलन्स कॅरी डाऊन म्हणजेच हे आपला आहे क्लोजिंग कॅपिटल. आणि हा क्लोजिंग कॅपिटल हा आपल्याला कुठे घ्यायचा आहे, बॅलन्स शीट लायबिलिटी. सो द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड अबाउट अगेन बॅलन्स शीट. इथं सुद्धा बॅलन्स शीट पूर्ण एका स्लाइड्सवर बसू शकत नाही, त्यामुळं थोडी बॅलन्स शीट ह्या स्लाइडवर आहे आणि पुढची बॅलन्स शीट पुढच्या स्लाइडवर आहे. मुलींनी ती व्यवस्थित लिहून घ्यायची. कॅपिटल अकाउंट्स अगेन इन द बॅलन्स शीट लायबिलिटी साइड. Capital account, these are the capital balances are from their capital account. So these are the two balances from capital account we are taken on the balance sheet liability side. Reserve fund given in the trial balance sundry creditors given in trial balance, bills payable given in trial balance, other loans given in trial balance. Asset side, trademark from the trial balance, land and building, amount 22,000 amount, less 10% depreciation. After deducting amount, we can get the net amount of the land and building. Sundry debtors 18,500 less bad debts, then we can get the net amount of debtors 17,700. Again, furniture gross amount 13,000 less 5% depreciation 525, then we can get the net amount 12,475. After that, next on the next slide, liability side, outstanding wages and electricity charges. Outstanding wages 300, electricity charges 200, net outer side amount 500. Patents provided in the trial balance 200, but 1/8 write off. Patent should be write off, so it will deduct the amount. After then we can get the net amount of patent. Stock of stationery right at outer side. Investment from trial balance, bills receivable also from the trial balance. Then closing stock, it is an adjustment 12,000 outer side. Cash at bank 5,000 outer side. Then if we see the balance sheet, then the assets and liability total email, then we can get the amount 87,525. लायबिलिटी आणि असेटशी टोटल करा, दोन्हीकडची अमाऊंट आपल्याला काय व्हायला पाहिजे, इक्वल किंवा टॅली असेल 87,525. इथं सुद्धा आपला आत्ता 7वा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करून झालेला आहे. ओके, थँक्यू.